here are a few quick tips to help you keep your Karndean floor looking its best every day. First of all, place a good quality mat by your doors to catch any dirt or debris before it reaches the floor. Just be sure you avoid any mats with a rubber backing, as that can cause discoloration over time. Next, always avoid dragging any heavy furniture across your floor. Instead, always lift your furniture when moving it if possible, and use the protector pads that are included in your Karndean floor care kit to prevent any marks or scratches. And for any stubborn spots or scuffs, you can spot clean the area using undiluted Karndean Clean. With just a little bit of care, your Karndean floor will stay looking beautiful for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more on giving your floor a deep clean, head to our website.